Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you and talk about this 2021 Northwood Fox Mountain, model number 235. It's a rear living room, under 30 feet, and basically getting a feel of a full profile in a small, short fifth wheel that's going to have dual pane windows, heated and closed underbelly, basically an all-season small under 30-foot fifth wheel. Very hard to find if you're out looking for that particular model. Built right here in Oregon, made for the Northwest. So I mean, it has a lot of features that a lot of trailers don't even offer for a small fifth wheel. So you're still getting loads of quality, but in a small fifth wheel. Again, it's hard to find. A lot of manufacturers emphasis their higher end qualities in their bigger units. Northwood doesn't care the size. They put their quality in all sizes of their fifth wheels, trailers, and campers that they build. So today we're going to look at this 235 and go over a few features that is very nice to have in a small fifth wheel for the people that are trying to get into a lot of those older campgrounds, coastal campgrounds, government campgrounds that are smaller than some of the big pull-throughs, because that's the type of camping that you're interested in doing. So as we get into the inside, we notice walking up the solid stair steps, and then this one's going to have the lounge recliners against the back window instead of a couch, along with the gateway router. But in the Fox Mountain, we're going to get solid surface countertops, solid wood face cabinets on the cabinet doors. Solar is standard to keep the battery charged. Very simple information center when you walk in the door, so it's very easy to access and turn lights on and power awning and that kind of stuff right there when you walk in the door. This model has the garbage can right next to the exit door, so that makes it really nice. It's a single slide that's going to get you the booth dinette cabinet in the slide out. Nice flat screen, large TV, nice shower enclosure. Very open in the bedroom with a nice queen size bed, storage on both sides, and then a little storage corner inside the bedroom as well for storage, as well as storage underneath the bed. Private commode room, porcelain toilet, and again, not getting a whole lot of weight involved either. So, just for that person, if you're looking for a small, full size, short fifth wheel that is a all season, I can camp all year round and get the best of insulation and heat, conduct, and as well as air conditioning in the summertime, this is the product. So if you have any questions in our fifth wheel inventory, particularly the Northwood products, I've been here with Guarantee for about 17 years, been with the Northwood product ever since then. So if you have any questions, very familiar with that product, whether it be a camper, fifth wheel trailer, or a toy hauler, my name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Give me a call, let's talk.